In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down, this time to choose Privacy Controls and choose Permission Manager. Now select any feature you want to manage and tap on one of your apps. Like for example, I will go with AliExpress from Not Allowed section. Over here, you need to tap on the best option for you. In my case, camera access for this app, allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to apply this one, so when I click and go back, I can see that AliExpress gained access to my camera while I'm using my app. But what I like to do is pick any feature, select an app I'm interested in, and instead of applying one of those options here, click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!